Under the luminous glow of the full moon, the Jamaican forest shimmered with an eerie, silver light. Shadows danced among the tall trees, and the air was thick with anticipation. Moss Joe, a rugged man with weathered features and keen eyes, had always been fascinated by the nocturnal mysteries of his homeland. That night, as he sat on his porch, a sudden movement caught his attention. From the darkness emerged a sleek black panther, its eyes glowing with an otherworldly intelligence. Unlike any ordinary feline, this panther seemed almost ethereal, its coat shimmering like obsidian under the moonlight. Moss Joe had heard stories from elders about a mystical creature that appeared during the full moon, a guardian of the forest, a protector of ancient secrets. But tonight, Moss Joe noticed something strange. The panther didn't run away when he saw it. Instead, it paused, gazing directly at him with a piercing stare. Suddenly, a faint glow emanated from the panther's body, revealing intricate patterns of luminous symbols along its fur. It was then that Moss Joe realized this was no ordinary animal. The panther was a sentinel from another realm, a guardian sent to watch over the forest and perhaps even communicate with humans. As the moon reached its zenith, the panther slowly approached Moss Joe. In that moment, Moss felt a strange connection, as if the creature was sharing a silent message of balance, of protection, of a world beyond sight. With a gentle nod, the panther turned and melted back into the shadows, leaving Moss Joe with a newfound sense of awe and responsibility. From that night on, Moss Joe became a keeper of the forest's secrets. Forever changed by the night, he encountered the mystical Black Panther under the full moon, a guardian of Jamaica's ancient magic and cosmic mysteries.